Welcome to a good morning and all its fresh sights and smells, especially the smell of bread crisping to perfection. The Wolf Gourmet Toaster is a model of stainless steel ingenuity, complemented by advanced electronics. It's inspired toasting your way. Light, dark, and everything in between. Even artisan bread, the bane of toasters everywhere, is handled deftly. Extra-wide slots fit thick-sliced breads and bagels with ease, so the crunch of the golden brown outside reveals the warm, soft deliciousness of the inside. Self-centering bread guides position the thinnest to the thickest slices, upright and centered for even browning every time. The exceptionally durable extended bread lifter automatically raises the bread to the ideal height, so you can enjoy the results of high-performance toasting. The bagel setting toasts the cut side of bagels and warms the rounded outside, while the frozen setting automatically adds the extra toasting time needed to bring frozen breads and waffles from frosty to just right. And for those days when the toast is done before the eggs, the Keep Warm setting ensures your butter will still melt perfectly when everything's ready. You can press the cancel button at any time to stop whatever setting you've chosen. 4-slice toasters have 2 crumb trays that slide out from the side for easy cleaning, while 2-slice toasters have 1. A quick wipe of the exterior will keep your Wolf Gourmet Toaster looking beautiful. Golden, crispy, chewy, or crunchy, toasting with precise control. From Wolf Gourmet.